Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be vlogging a day in the life, so I'm super excited for you guys to see. It's going to be a pretty little busy day. I did get up late because we just got back in last night from our 9-day trip. First we went to Disney, so we were in Florida for 5 days, and then we went to Texas afterwards because that is a state that we're considering relocating to, so we did go check it out. So today is just kind of like, let's get our life back together type of day. So we do have to go grocery shopping because we have absolutely nothing in the house. And I told my husband I'm not eating out again. Like, I just need fresh food. And we're trying to get on like a little health kick to start eating a lot healthier. So we definitely got to go grocery shopping. And then I have like little pick-me-ups here and there. But that's pretty much what we'll be doing today. And then I have a lot of cleaning and laundry to do.
Y'all already know. Target is.
I have to do this recording over because I just rewatched it and all you hear is the cart on the concrete. But I came to Target because I'm gonna put you guys on to Fetch. Fetch is a really good app where you scan your receipts and then you get gift cards for it. So that's why I came here, because they have it right now where if you spend $25 on Good and Gather, I get 800 coins, so that's really good. And then I needed to pick up cleaning stuff anyway, so I was like, I'll just come to Target. So that's why we're here. This one has a lid. You get 10 of them. We're trying to eat healthier, so I got the protein pack. Let's get the fettuccine. Penny. I'm going off grocery shopping list a little bit, but I forgot to add my coffee on there. I need my coffee. I was afraid this bag was small. You guys, I'm so sad. They don't have my creamer. I get the cookies and cream, and then they have everything but that. What am I gonna get? What do I get? What do I get? I don't like Starbucks' creamer, believe it or not. I don't think it's good. And I've tried their white chocolate mocha, and I did not like it. We're gonna have to make another stop because I don't like trying new creamers. I don't think I'm gonna like any other creamer. Eat kale. Caesar salad. I'm finally getting my Fenty Beauty. This is what it looks like, by the way. This is the it's hard to tell. But shout out to Maya because she put me on. I tried it one day and it was so good. I need a lip pencil. The one I have is too dark, so I want to lighten it up just a little bit. I like NYX's lip liners, so I think I'm gonna get this color. It's cute.
I know I'm in a white
NYX
area.
Professional. What color? I don't see that color. I was looking for it, helping him find it for his girlfriend or his wife. But I think I like these better. Then I don't have to worry about sharpening it. I think I'm gonna do this brown. This brown looks up my alley. It's hard to tell, it looks red. I got what I needed, kinda. I got my Fenty and then I got a lip liner because I have a $3 reward, so, and I need to spend $25. Come on, helper.
What?
One of the main concerns I had becoming a mom of two was how I was going to divide my time between the two girls and give them each their own quality time. I love that my oldest loves helping me in the kitchen. She will help me prepare the food, plate the food, cook it, clean it, peel it, anything. I love that this is part of our quality time because we get to do it every single day. When I go grocery shopping, I like to separate my meats. I clean them and I season them, and they're all ready for when I have to take them out for dinner. All I have to do is let them defrost and cook it, and I'm telling y'all, this saves me like a good hour in the kitchen. It's good? We know it's good. You ate all yours.
Good.
Good. It is after 9 o'clock. As you can see, I've already smudged my makeup. I look like I have raccoon eyes. That's why I just started rubbing my eyes and I forgot I had on mascara and eyeliner. Late start on homework, but it's okay. We're getting it done. And she's looking at me. You finished? Okay, get your math and put your name on top. So now, oh, put that paper in your folder so you don't forget it. While she's doing her homework, I'm gonna clean up their room because their room is a mess. Before we left, we tried to get everything clean, but then I couldn't find stuff, so I just started throwing stuff all over the place. So we gotta clean all over again. So that's what I'm gonna try to do before the girls go to bed, is try to straighten up the room as much as possible. After 11 o'clock, we finished homework. She started some of the homework that she missed yesterday because we just got back yesterday, so she did miss Monday. So today was her first day back at school since the break. But I'm so tired. I did not finish cleaning their room. It's just about done. I just gotta fold clothes that were on the bed and like put little things away, but my body just can't go anymore. You ever heard of like needing a vacation after the vacation? That's me right now. Like now I need like a vacation to just relax from being on vacation and to just kind of get my body and my head together. But that's just not the case. We had a pretty long day. We did a lot. So tomorrow I'm gonna be back at it again. A bunch of cleaning, laundry. I was able to get 2 loads of laundry in today. I did not fold them, but I did wash 2 loads of laundry, so that's a big deal. That's a big deal. I didn't get to finish cleaning the girls' room, but it's okay. I'm gonna finish cleaning it tomorrow, and then hopefully I can get to editing these videos because I have so many videos to edit for you guys and post. I haven't posted in like over a week. It's bad. So I really got to get back into that. And yeah, so my arm is killing me. I lost my tripod that I just bought, and it's pissing me off because how do I lose a big tripod? Like when I tell you guys it's a big tripod, I lost it in my house and I don't know where it went. So I'm going to be doing that tomorrow as well, looking for my tripod. But right now I'm about to get in the shower, and my lovely husband is going to go to McDonald's and get me a frappe mocha. No, it's not going to keep me up. It's not going to keep me up. I'm going to go right to sleep. I'm going to drink me my frappe mocha, and I'm going to put on my Bridgerton because the new season 4 just dropped. So if you guys are into Bridgerton, let me know. I think if you have not watched Bridgerton, you need to watch Bridgerton. It's like the perfect like love story drama show, and it doesn't get boring. And I love how it focuses on a different person each season, a different couple. I think so far my favorite season is the first season. I forgot the sister's name, but the first season. And then favorite season was season 3. Season 2 was kind of boring and blah. I didn't really care for season 2, but season 3 was like another one that I really loved. And now season 4, so I'm super excited. I'm blanking out on the characters' names right now, but I love season 1 and season 3, so I'm super excited. So if you guys watch Bridgerton, drop it in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about the show, what you guys like. If you haven't watched it, you need to go watch it. But yeah, oh, my arm is burning right now because I have to hold it up with my arm. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog.